In this video, I'll show you how to get and install ReShade on FiveM. ReShade is a graphics enhancer that adds features like color correction, sharpening, and bloom to improve the visuals of GTA while using FiveM. To get started, go to ReShade Me and download the latest version. Once downloaded, run the ReShade setup. Next, locate your FiveM application by searching for FiveM in the Start menu, right-click it, select Open File Location twice until you reach the main folder. Copy the path of this folder, return to the ReShade setup, click Browse, paste the path, select FiveM.exe, and click Next. Choose DirectX November 12, 10 as your rendering API and continue. On the next screen, click Uncheck All, then check All to install all available effects and click Next. ReShade will then download the required files and complete the installation. Once installed, return to the FiveM folder and move all newly created ReShade files into the plugins folder inside the FiveM application data directory. Now, launch FiveM and join a server. Press the Home key to open the ReShade menu and choose the visual effects you want to apply in-game. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.